quick test of the nothing earbud connected to the Insta360 One. It's going to be hilltop bike check. Oh, that's annoying. I can see myself on the viewfinder. Well, I'll just point it. So we've got the brother Kepler with a lovely dirty patina. Some sort of Blackburn rack on the front that's about to wobble off. Need to do something about that. Some $9.99 Decathlon gravel tyres on it. Some lovely V brakes covered in some what looks like reeds, to be honest with you. Some sort of pasture swamp. What else? We've got some really horrible bars. Yeah, turns out I'm not a fan of those. Oh, drive brake, what have we got? Oh, lovely Shimano 2x10, got Ultegra levers, Tiagra chainset, and a 105 rear mech, 105 front mech as well. So, a little bit of everything. That's about it. Mac Workshop bar bag direct from Western Supermare. I think that just about covers everything. Map Torlum, there's a trig. Lovely views. Hellishly windy up here, so good test to see what this sounds like. If it's bad, I'll just delete it.